Hey, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA Ocean, and today I want to talk a little bit about making a custom video overlay in PostPDS for your simulations. So in this example, we have a catamaran here set up. It's a rigid body with a motion RAO configured for this 30-meter long catamaran. I've added a little visualization for the deck just to make it clear that these two hulls are connected to each other. I've added an acceleration probe at the center of gravity here just to provide a bit of more information, kind of demonstrate how you can load information and show it live in the analysis. So what I've done is I've configured a 1 meter 7-second wave, and I've configured this in a following C configuration. And let's take a look at what this looks like with the custom overlay. So we load the results, and then you can see this live overlay where I've got a little label here. I can change the label and I can indicate which data to show live. Here's our little catamaran. So if we just start playing it here, it's moving about 6 knots, about 3 meters per second. You can see that here it's reading from the velocity files. It's playing back about real time. Again, it's a stern quartering condition, so you can kind of see the waves following it there, and it's also printing out the pitch and the roll and stuff like that. So we can lock the camera onto the vessel and kind of see what's happening here. We can switch to engineering view as well, see the waves going faster than the ship in this case. You can look at different scenarios. We just have to set up another simulation in here, which just takes a minute to run and runs pretty fast, and you can get this visualization. There is an extra input file needed for this. We can provide more information if you contact us about how to do all that. All right, just a little demonstration to show what else is possible. In terms of the overlay, of course, by default, everyone can see things like pitch and roll in time, but these are just static plots that go along with it. So these are sinusoidal waves. Of course, you can do irregular waves too, and show different kind of plots like this on an ongoing basis. All right, thanks for watching.